जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होंगे। तो जी ये नेक्स्ट लेक्चर है पैडागोजी के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ का। आपको पता है कि डेटा कलेक्ट करना, उसको फिर एक साथ बनाना कितना टफ़ होता है। तो मुझे कमेंट आया था कि मैं ऐसी वीडियोस और बनाऊँ, तो मैं ये लेक्चर सेकंड जो है वो मैं दे रही हूँ आपके लिए, क्योंकि इसके साथ मैं आंसर भी मेंशन करती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप अगर वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो आपका टाइम ज़ाया हो और आपको अलग से एक एक चीज़ सर्च करनी पड़े। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टाइम और आपका टाइम ज़ाया किए बिना। The term pragmatism drives its origin from Greek. Epistemology is philosophy deals with knowledge. Nature of scientific knowledge rests on all of above. According to naturalism, the aim of education is self-expression. The application of philosophy in education may be selection of objectives. Ethics and aesthetic are components of axiomology. Axiology. Logical and scientific thinking includes value system. Aims of education are used for the process of education. All. The function of educator is to lead the child near reality is the educational philosophy of realist. ये मैं आपको रीड कर कर के साथ इसलिए बता रही हूँ ताकि आपको पढ़ने में इसको मुश्किल ना आए, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता है हो सकता है काफ़ी लोगों को ये स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं क्लियर नज़र ना आए या समझ ना आए, तो इस वजह से मैं आपको साथ साथ इनको रीड आउट करके इनके आंसर आपको बता रही हूँ। तो इसी तरह आप साथ साथ प्रिपेयर करते जाएँ इसको। नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ फिलोसफी इज़ नॉलेज ऑफ यूनिवर्स। Authentic knowledge is gained through empirical experiences. For the learning of student, progressivist teacher put more emphasis on practical education. Lecture method is a choice of idealist teacher. Classroom environment will be teacher central if teacher is idealist. Nature itself is real according to naturalism. For instruction, pragmatist teacher tends to rely heavily on problem solving and project method. Philosophy and education are the two sides of a coin according to Roslikai means Rousseau. The curriculum will be child-centered if teacher is progressivist. An important question of philosophy is what is universe? Value do not change over time because the truth which they relate do not change. Those who agree with these statements are probably idealist. And eclectic is one of takes belief from several philosophies. ऐसा पॉसिबल तो नहीं है, लेकिन हो सकता है मैं रीडिंग के दौरान कुछ जो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो या कोई स्टेटमेंट जो है वो मिस कर दूं, या कुछ आपको अगर क्लियर ना हो तो आप खुद से भी सर्च कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि सब इंसान है, सबसे गलती होती है। The essentialist would get their aim of education from traditions. To seek truth and reality is the subjects of philosophy. Education plays wider role in the all of the above. Essentialist philosophy of education is content and teacher centered. Every system of education is based upon ideology of nation. According to idealism, the aim of education is to develop mind and soul. Word philosophy is derived from two Greek words, philia and sophia. Pragmatism was introduced by Charles S. Peirce. Accepted life outcomes from education, referred as aim of education, type of knowledge derived from sense is known as empirical. Who says education is life itself, not a preparation for life? Progressivism. One of the requirement of a discipline, a body of knowledge. The great method of teaching by naturalist is playway. Education discipline in Pakistan reflects ideology of Pakistan, who says permanence is more real than change. Perennialism. Being science of wisdom, philosophy aims at search for reality. Philosophy literally means love for wisdom. Move from general statement to specific instances and application refers deduction. Perennialism is an educational philosophy of all values. Education as the reorganization of experience is expounded by John Dewey. The ability to solve problems or to adjust in the new environment is the definition of intelligence. The founder of behaviorism is, ये आप सर्च कर लीजिएगा, ये GB वैटसन लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Concrete operation occurs at the age of 7 to 12. How many groups are usually made in experimental method 2? Child development study is useful for teacher. Independent variable is applied to experimental groups. Life of an individual starts from zygote. How many factors affects growth too? Classical conditioning was presented by when P.P. Pavlov. The variable whose effect is south is called independent variable. The variable which is affected by independent variable is called dependent variable. The variable which is affected by independent variable is called dependent variable. Variables other than independent variables which can affect dependent variables are called relevant variable. Method in which keen study of any event or behavior is made is called observation method. Study of behavior under controlled condition is experimental method. Growth of child is studied in development method. Sensory disabilities are studied in psychophysical method. Period starting from zygote to 250-300 days is prenatal period. Period starting from birth to 2 weeks is neonate period. Period starting from 13 years to 19 years is adolescence. Which is not the hereditary factor? Diet. Which one is not the environmental factor? Diet. Cognitive development deals with mind. How many stages of cognitive development are described by Jane Piaget? 4. Period starting from birth to 2 years in cognitive development is sensory motor stage. Sensory motor stage. The period starting from 2 to 7 years is cognitive development is pre-operational stage. Period starting from 7-12 years in cognitive development is concrete operational stage. Period from 12 years and onward in cognitive development is formal operational stage. Child forgets the things out of sight in sensory motor stage. Child describes himself unsystematic in pre-operational stage. Child thinks logically in concrete operational stage. Whose role is important in moral development? All above. Emotional development is affected by all above. Permanent change in behavior as a result of experience is learning. According to behaviorism, which one is important for changing in behavior environment? Stimulus is necessary for response in classical conditioning. Operant conditioning was present by Skinner. Change in behavior is due to reinforcement in operant conditioning. Which one is not positive reinforcement, punishment? Concept of meaningful learning through perception was presented by David. Concept of meaningful learning through structure of content and discovery was presented by J.S. Brunner. The founder of humanistic approach is Maslow. According to humanistic approach, nature of man is all above. The founder of client-centered therapy was Carl Roger. According to Roger, in problem solving, the most important is client. Who did discriminate the personality characteristics traits? Gordon. The IQ of an average child is 90-110. The IQ of mentally retarded child is below 90. Which type of growth of child is important? The meaning of word psychology is study of mind. The word psychology is derived from Greek word who says man is conscious animal. William Growth means an increase in all of the above. Development means change in all of the above. Cognitive development means mental development. Out of sight, out of mind is the characteristics of sensory motor stage. In cognitive domain, infancy is the stage of sensory motor stage. The cognitive domain, early childhood is pre-operational stage. In cognitive development, late childhood is concrete operational stage. In cognitive development, adolescence is beginning of formal operational stage. The characteristics of sensory motor stage is all of the above. तो जी ये आज की हमारी वीडियो जो है एंड होती है 60 MCQs पर। ये न्यू MCQs थे पिछले लेक्चर से हटकर। आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी और ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगी एंड आई होप आप सबका पेपर जो है वो FGI EST के क्लियर होंगे। मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंटरव्यू का प्रोसीजर, उसमें जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होते हैं जो नॉर्मली पूछे जाते हैं और जिनकी वजह से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, वो भी अपनी वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर लाजमी कीजिएगा।